In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on the Shein website like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned fashion enthusiast or just starting out, these tips will help you make the most of your online shopping experience. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Shein.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. And if you're a new user, it's a good idea to take a few moments to sign up for one. Having an account not only streamlines your shopping process, but also gives you access to special offers and personalized recommendations. Once you're logged in, it's time to start exploring the vast array of products on offer. Use the search bar to look up specific items you're interested in, such as cute sweaters or hair accessories. To narrow down your search results and find exactly what you need in a sea of options, take advantage of the filters. You can sort items by size, color, and price range, ensuring that the results cater directly to your preferences and budget. Filters make it so much easier to find what you truly want. After you've pinpointed some potential purchases, it's crucial to dive into the details by checking the reviews. Scroll down to read what other buyers have to say, focusing particularly on reviews that include photos. These reviews often give the most accurate insight into what you can expect in terms of quality and fit. Aim to select items that have a high rating, ideally 4.5 stars or above, and pay close attention to comments about the fabric and overall satisfaction. Before heading to checkout, don't forget to look for additional savings through coupons. Shein frequently offers discount codes, and you'll usually find them displayed at the top of the page. Make sure to jot down the codes and apply them during checkout to maximize your savings. Every little bit helps, and you might be surprised at how much you can save this way. When you're ready to make your purchase, choose your size and add the items to your shopping bag. Click on the bag icon when you're ready to proceed and continue to check out. Here, you'll need to enter your address and payment information. Double check everything to avoid any errors. And when you're satisfied, place your order. Finally, after completing your purchase, you'll want to keep tabs on the shipping progress. Head over to the My Orders section on the website and click Track to see the status and location of your package. This feature allows you to monitor your shipment until it arrives at your doorstep, giving you peace of mind and anticipation as you await the delivery. Happy shopping!